need a little help there? Look at you. Hi, baby. Hi. Yeah. Oh, what's that noise? Is Daddy working in the garage? You want to do it some more? Here, let's do it back this way. There he goes. Hi. You say hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Yeah, exciting stuff. Whoa. Up, end of the road. You're gonna have to turn. Oh, you're figuring out how to turn. Look at you, big guy. You need some help? There he goes. Hi. You're doing so great. Look at you, big walker. He's not walking yet, but look at that. He's pushing along. All right, Mason, can you say bye-bye?